Ross is wearing leather pants.
What does the word absorb have to do with Ross's leather pants? First, let's look at the meaning. Absorb means to take something in, especially gradually. For example, this amazing cloth absorbs water. Your black clothes absorb heat. Silica gel absorbs moisture. Good diapers absorb a lot of liquid. So what does the word absorb have to do with Ross's leather pants? Well, Ross's tight leather pants were making him hot and uncomfortable. So he went to the bathroom to take them off and cool down. But maybe because his legs were so sweaty, Ross couldn't put the leather pants back on. So he called Joey for help, and this was Joey's response.
Do you see any, powder?
Powder, yeah, I have powder.
Good, okay. Sprinkle some of that on your legs. It'll absorb some of the moisture, and then you can get your pants back on. It'll absorb some of the moisture. It'll absorb some of the moisture. It'll absorb some of the moisture, and then you can get your pants back on.
They're not coming on, man.